Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more insightful tech reviews. Today, we're diving into Keap CRM, exploring its features and sharing my personal experience with this powerful platform. For convenient access to Keap CRM and related resources, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Keap, formerly known as Infusionsoft, is a customer relationship management (CRM) solution specifically designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs aiming to streamline their sales and marketing efforts while simultaneously cultivating strong customer relationships. This comprehensive platform offers a robust toolkit for managing leads, automating crucial workflows, and scaling operations with enhanced efficiency. One of Keap's most compelling features is its impressive automation capabilities. The platform empowers users to construct intricate workflows that automate tasks such as lead follow-ups, email sequences, and even appointment reminders. The intuitive drag-and-drop campaign builder simplifies the process of designing personalized customer journeys, requiring no specialized technical expertise. This automation prowess allows smaller teams to reclaim valuable time and concentrate on growth-focused initiatives. Keap also shines in the realm of lead and contact management. The CRM provides a centralized database for storing and organizing all customer information, granting your team a 360-degree view of each client's interactions, purchase history, and communication logs. The platform's integrated email marketing tools are equally impressive, enabling users to craft targeted email campaigns, design customized templates, and monitor email performance, all within the CRM interface. For businesses prioritizing deal closures, Keap incorporates a sales pipeline feature that visually represents each stage of the sales process. Users can effortlessly drag and drop opportunities between stages, track progress in real time, and even automate actions based on pipeline updates. This feature simplifies deal tracking and helps teams maintain a clear focus on their revenue objectives. Furthermore, Keap integrates seamlessly with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, empowering users to generate and send invoices, process payments, and manage billing, all from a single, unified platform. It also offers integrations with a wide range of third-party tools, including QuickBooks, Zapier, and Google Workspace, making it a highly versatile addition to your existing tech stack. While Keap offers a wealth of features, its pricing structure is positioned higher than some competitors, potentially making it less suitable for extremely small teams or early-stage startups. However, the platform's true value lies in its time-saving automation features and comprehensive all-in-one functionality. In conclusion, Keap CRM emerges as an excellent option for small businesses seeking a comprehensive platform to manage customer relationships, automate key workflows, and propel growth. Its intuitive design and robust tools make it a valuable asset for scaling operations effectively. Don't forget to explore the links provided in the description to learn more about Keap CRM and determine if it aligns with your specific business requirements. Hopefully, this review has provided valuable insights to help you decide whether Keap is the right CRM solution for your team.